We guide you through how to fix permanently limited PayPal account. So first, log into your PayPal dashboard and go straight to the Resolution Center to check the exact reason for the limitation. Because PayPal usually restricts account due to the suspicious activity, identity verification issues, or policy violations. Next, complete all required steps shown there such as confirming your identity, uploading valid government ID, proof of address, and linking or confirming your bank account or card. If the option to appeal is available, submit a clear appeal explaining your account activity in a simple and honest way, and make sure all details match your PayPal registration information. After that, check your email regularly because PayPal may request additional documents and respond quickly to avoid delays. If your account shows permanent limitation with no appeal button, contact PayPal support directly through the Help Center and request manual review while remaining calm and cooperative.